Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd just do a video where I'm just going to use a bunch of products that I just never use, whether I don't like them or I just haven't used them in a really long time, and I just want to see if I do like them or if I want to keep them, because I feel like I do really need to get rid of a lot of makeup if I'm just not going to use it, if I don't like it anymore. So I thought I could try it out in a video and then I can then purge my makeup. If you like the idea of this video and you'd like to see what products that I use, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So I am just going to start off with the face because I'm not going to do too much with the eyeshadow. Get a primer out first. That I literally never use is the Nip and Fab primer spray. I loved this when I first got it, but I think what puts me off of it is literally just the spray, and I've tried putting it in another bottle and just spraying it like that, but I don't know, I just can't find a spray bottle that I like. So I just never use this because I hate the spray and I hate having to press it into my hand. It just gets really messy, so that's why I never use this, which is really annoying because I love the actual primer. It is a very good primer. It goes quite tacky once you just pat it into your skin, so I do like the primer. I just hate that I have to do this every time I want to use it and then it drips everywhere. So for foundation, picked up this one, which I hope this hasn't expired because I haven't used it in so long, but it's the L'Oreal Lumi foundation, and this literally everybody loved this, but for me, when I would always use it, I never got the Lumi from it. Like, I would never get a glow. I don't know if I will now. I have no idea. See, I don't know, I just never got a glow from it. It just as well, like, that is not like full cut, like you can really still see my skin through that, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I don't have a problem with the coverage because sometimes I don't mind just having a light coverage on my skin, but I haven't got a glow. This is what I mean, I can't really see a glow. It looks like I kind of have a little bit because I've got lights, but yeah, I think I'm gonna let this one go. I'm not the biggest fan of it. So for concealer, I'm going to take the Milani Retouch and Erase Lifting Concealer. This I do not use because I hate this. I used to not mind it, but now I just hate it. It's so, like, it gets so dirty. I hate it. I used to like it, but now it just kind of bugs me because you have to like squeeze it out and you can't really control how much is coming out. But I used to really like this. I like, see what I mean? And then when you put it back in the lid, it just looks so gross. Ew. So with this concealer, if you really like full coverage, it's probably not the best because I can definitely still see my dark circles. Maybe if you don't have as dark under eyes as I do, it might be okay. And it does seem to be creasing actually. So for a powder that I literally never use, I've got this one right here, which is the Peaches and Cream Setting Powder. This used to be on Beauty Bay and I don't know why they don't have it on there anymore, but I really like this. I used to really love it, but I just feel like I've got powders now that I prefer more. I can't remember if, I don't think it left a white cast because I don't think I would have liked it, but it just kind of blends away into nothing, and I think that's what I liked about it, and it doesn't really leave a trace on your skin. Yeah, there's no white cast whatsoever with this, so. So I will powder the rest of my face after, but see what I mean? There's no white cast under my eyes. It's a really good powder, that. Okay, so I never use this. It's the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Cream Contour Palette. I just never use it and I don't know why. I'm probably gonna mix two. I might take the bronzy one and then this one. Let's see how it goes. I don't mind that actually, I should probably use that a bit more. Never checked this for flashback, to be fair though. Like, as good as it is, it may flash back. I'm going to just move on to highlight next. So I'm going to take the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. And I really like this. I just found that it just doesn't last very long on the skin. Like when I'd come back home after a day, it'd be gone. So as nice as it is, it's very, very pigmented and I do like it, but it just doesn't last very long, which I don't like. But I do really like the shade. I love the formula. I just wish it lasted longer on my skin. Just look how nice that is, and these are so affordable. Okay, then to kind of set the cream bronzer down, I'm going to take this huge thing right here. This is the eyesahdows, I don't know how you say that. It's just their bronzing powder, and I literally did not know it was this big when I saw it on the website ages ago. So I literally don't use this because it's literally the size of my head, and it just gets pushed to the back of the drawer, which is really annoying because it is a very nice bronzer. It's really creamy, it blends really nicely, and it's just completely matte, but it's just freaking huge. Look at it. Okay, then moving on to blush, I've got this guy right here, which is the MUA blush in the shade Bonbon. I don't know why I never use these. I have no idea. They're so tiny, I can never see them in my collection. Oh, that's very pigmented. I didn't realise it was going to be that pigmented. Okay, yeah, we look okay. Getting clown vibes going on now. Let's just get rid of this. Yeah, I prefer my blushes to be a bit more subtle than that. It was really nice, but yeah, go in very lightly if you have those. Eyeshadows, I kind of mix up eyeshadow palettes like I do with quite a few different things. If I don't like an eyeshadow palette, I will literally just get rid of it. I will not keep it. But a palette that I do literally never use on camera is my Z palette full of single eyeshadows. I just don't use this because I think it's kind of harder for people to get hold of if they want to get something that I've used in a video, because obviously I've customized this. I've picked all the colours. I've customized the whole palette myself. Obviously I know this guy is no secret to my channel, like it's Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek. I use it literally every single video that I do. I never use this on camera. I use it pretty much every day in my life though, because this palette is my life. It's got every single colour under the sun that I would need. I'm still needing one more colour to pop in here, but other than that, it's just the best thing I've got. So I'm just going to use Peach Smoothie just to buff in the crease. I'm not going to do anything too special. I'm really not, because I feel like I've done quite a few colourful and vibrant looks recently that I just want to do something kind of normal and warm toned. I'm missing my warm toned looks. So no, I really love single eyeshadows. I think it's really good because you can literally just buy them individually and just make your own palette like I've done. Obviously it is quite expensive like how I've done it because I've got quite a big palette. You can get smaller ones and just have maybe like even like 6 or 12 shadows, or I think they have like 9 eyeshadow palettes, like Z palettes that you can just pop in. I have a lot in here, I know, but I just wanted to make sure that I have every colour that I'd ever need, especially when I travel. Like I'm going away tomorrow, this is the palette I'm taking with me, just so I know I've got every colour I would ever need. And I've got different brands in here. I used to be strictly Makeup Geek, but then I decided to branch out and try some more. So yeah. Paper Tiger, which is this one right here. It's just a pukey yellow. And this is by Colourpop. And then I'm going to mix it with Chickadee by Makeup Geek, which is just a nice yellow. Going to take the shade Morocco, which is by Makeup Geek. It's just a really nice orange. And I'm just going to apply this in the crease as well. Going back in with Peach Smoothie just to blend all the edges. Take the shade Tan Lines by Makeup Geek. And this is literally one of the nicest browns ever. Over the lid, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called High Strung, and it's by Colourpop. I'm just going to apply this with my finger all over the lid. That's really nice. corner and brow bone, I'm going to take the shade Shimmer Shimmer, and this is by Makeup Geek as well. Then that's what I'm going to do for the eyes for now. For liner, I'm kind of sad because I'm not using my LA Girl one that I always use, but because I always use that, I literally never use any of my other eyeliners. So I'm just going to use a black one, but I'm going to take this one by Morphe, and it's called Dark Room. Tight line with this. Oh, this is really black. This is really good actually. That's pretty good. I'm going to use that a lot more. What I haven't used in so long is the L'Oreal Miss Hippie Mega Volume. Oh, it's waterproof. Great. Waterproof mascara. I don't like waterproof. I don't think I realised it was waterproof when I bought it, because I don't really like buying waterproof ones because they're so hard to get off. I will probably get rid of this though because I have no idea how old this is. And an eye product that is out of date is not the best, so I think I'm just going to get rid of this after this video. But you know what, that's really nice. It's kind of like flared out the edges, like not the edges, like my outer lashes. Like that looks nice. Okay, so that's pretty much everything done. I'm just going to move on to a lipstick now. So I never use these right here, which are the MUA lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Fancy Fawn, and it is a matte. It looks okay. Oh, it smells like sweets. That's nice. Okay, I know why I don't use these. I feel like it's cracking up a bit, and it just looks really dry. I'm not the biggest fan of it. The colour, you know, the colour is so nice. Ugh. This would be a really nice colour if I did not hate it. We can't, but it's just really dry, and you can, like, it's like leaving big lines in my lip, and no, I don't like having dry lips. I hate it because my lips are quite sensitive. So no, don't like that. Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't a full tutorial, but I just wanted to do a kind of fun video like this. So there were definitely some hits and some misses. Some things I'm definitely just gonna get rid of, like this lipstick. I'm taking it off straight away. Thank you so much for watching again, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!